Welcome to this tutorial on the benefits of using the CyberScout mobile app. In today's digital age, identity theft and cyber threats are becoming increasingly common, making it essential to have a robust defense system in place. This is where CyberScout comes in, offering a comprehensive solution to protect your personal and financial information. First, let's understand what CyberScout is. It's a mobile app designed to provide identity theft protection and fraud detection services. The app offers a range of features, including credit monitoring, dark web scanning, and alerts for suspicious activity. So why use CyberScout? The primary reason is to have peace of mind knowing that your personal information is being monitored and protected around the clock. With CyberScout, you can quickly detect and respond to potential threats, minimizing the risk of financial loss and damage to your credit score. Another key benefit of using CyberScout is its ease of use. The app is user-friendly and provides clear guidance on how to protect your identity and respond to potential threats. You can access your credit report, view alerts and notifications, and receive personalized recommendations for improving your security. In addition to its core features, CyberScout also offers a range of educational resources and tools to help you stay safe online. These include tips on password management, online security best practices, and how to avoid common scams and phishing attacks. To get the most out of CyberScout, it's essential to use it in conjunction with other security best practices. This includes using strong and unique passwords, keeping your software and operating system up to date, and being cautious when clicking on links or providing personal information online. In conclusion, using the CyberScout mobile app is an essential step in protecting your identity and personal information in today's digital landscape. By providing comprehensive protection, education, and support, CyberScout helps you stay safe online and respond quickly to potential threats. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial and using CyberScout, you can enjoy greater peace of mind and protection in the face of growing cyber threats.